Map number 4 also present two fault structure. One structure fault plane. This is a FF. This is one fault plane is there, and displacement between the bedding planes are indicating on the both the sides. There is another fault plane is there, F2. This is an displacement of the bedding planes are written there. And then this area, there is problem is there. A road has to taken place between C and D. The C is this point. This is a C point is here, and D point is towards this side of the both the fault plane. Now we have to reach from C to D. Aligning the side, either through a tunnel from C to D or just making alignment on of the roads on the surface. There's a two conditions are there. A road alignment at 65-meter contour on the northern slope. This is the first condition. Toward the northern slope, 65 meter. So this is a 6 contour, and this is a 7 contour. So 60 contour, this is 70 contour. So road will go along between this, and we will reach up to the D along this on the surface. There is another tunnel should be there between C and D. There is an invert at 65 meter at this distance. C to D it is here, and 71 distance is there is another meter is there. Clear? So now I had find out the solution with the help of the strike line. So first I had find out the direction of the dip for the bedding plane as well as slope of the area. Area is sloping. Area is sloping in this direction. Look here, this is 10, 9, 8 and 7. So this area is sloping toward this side. This area is sloping. Slope of the area, this is sloping toward this side. Slope of the area, this is sloping. This is a hill is there, circular contour is there having higher number, and then the surrounding the circular contours are there. This is a hillock is there in between, and surroundings there's the area is sloping there. Clear? And there's a two fault planes are there. So with the help of the I had selected this bedding plane. This bedding plane, MP bedding plane. This is a MP bedding plane. So MP bedding plane, this is a strike line. Strike line is having value how much here? This is a 8 number. MP 8 here. 8 number. And this MP8 converted here another side of the fault plane, MP9. Okay, MP9. So this is a 10 meter above this one. This is 10 meter down. This is 10 meter down this side, and here this 10 meter up. Up with respect to this block. And here again we'll find out MP bedding plane this one, and this is MP bedding plane here. So this is MP how much? This is MP8 and this is MP9. Again this is 10 meter down. Again 10 meter down. So this is a horse structure is there. This central block is above, and this block is a deep means a 10 meter down, and this block is a 10 meter down. This is a horse structure is there. This is one thing. Second, if we'll find out the direction of the dip, these beds are dipping in this direction. So slope is opposite to the dip direction. Then this is stable. Stable surface, slope and dip opposite to each other. This is a solution for area. Slope of the area as well as dip of the area, they are opposite to each other. In this area, dip is toward this side and slope is opposite to this one. This is the slope of the area, and dip is toward this side. So they are the opposite to this. Toward this side there's a dip and slope is in the same side, so this is the failure side is there. So we can have this first condition. Second is not recommended. There's a vertical fault plane is there opposite to the slope of the area shape for the construction of the road. So this is another solution. Thank you.